Hello children, already we came across the theory part of charge as well as current. Now it's time for application, that is to solve problem. Here are the two formulae. Charge Q equal to N into E, where Q is charge, N is number of electrons that are flowing through a conductor, E is nothing but electronic charge. The value of electronic charge is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So what is the charge formula? Q equals to N into E. Now second formula, current. Current is symbolized by the letter I. I equal to Q by T. The charge flowing per second. The charge in a given time is known as current. Current I equal to Q by T, where what is Q? Q is charge, T is time. So these are the two formulae. Related to two formulae, we are solving the problems now. Now come to the first problem. A current of 0.75 amperes is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 5 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Here, what was given? There is a current. How much current? 0.75 ampere is drawn, that is passing through a filament of a bulb. How much time it is passing? It is passing for 5 minutes. Now what is need to find? Find the amount of electric charge. Electric charge is nothing but Q. So first write the data given, that is given. What is given? Current I equal to 0.75 amperes. And next, time. How much time current passed? 5 minutes. Whenever we do the problem, we need to convert minutes to seconds. So 5 into 1 minute. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 5 into 60, which is nothing but 300 seconds. Now what we need to find? We need to find the charge. So Q, what is charge? Now related to Q, I and T. What is the formula? Current I equal to Q by T. Yes, we need to find Q. So cross multiply. Q equal to I into T. What is substitute the values given here? I equals to 0.75 amperes. 0.75 amperes into time 300 seconds. Multiply 0.75 and 300 seconds. It's come to be 225. 225 and Q is measured in charge, that is coulombs. 225 coulombs. Why coulombs? Here how we are multiplying the values 0.75 and 300, we need to multiply units also. Yes, side I am doing ampere into second. And what is ampere? Ampere is nothing but the unit of current, that is coulomb by second into second. Here second and second get cancelled. What remained at the end? Coulomb. That's the reason here Q equals to 225 coulombs. Here is a second problem. A conductor carries a current of 0.3 amperes. Find the amount of charge flowing in 40 seconds. So what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the charge. So first write the data given. Current I equal to 0.3 amperes. Time T equal to 40 seconds. We need to find the amount of charge. that is Q equal to question mark. Now what is the relation between Q, I and T? I equal to Q by T. Substitute the values. I equal to 0.3 amperes. Q we need to find and T is 40 seconds. We need to calculate Q. So Q equal to cross multiply these two values, that is 0.3 amperes into 40 seconds. 0.3 into 40 is nothing but 12. So ampere into second is nothing but coulombs. So Q is measured in coulomb. So what is answer for this question? 12 coulombs. Now here is a third question. A current of 5 milliamperes is passing through a wire. How many electrons passing per minute through any cross section of the wire? Now first write the data given. Given I equal to 5 milliamperes. But whenever we do the problem, it should be in amperes. 1 milliampere equal to 10 power minus 3 amperes. So current I equal to 5 milliamperes, that equal to 5 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. Next, they mentioned in the question how many electrons, that is number of electrons passing per minute. Per minute means they mentioned time here 1 minute. So T equals to 1 minute. Whenever in the question if they give in minutes, you need to convert into seconds, that is 60 seconds. Now we need to calculate number of electrons, that is N equal to question mark. Now what is the relation between I, T and N? There is no direct relation. But what we know is I equal to Q by T. But Q is nothing but charge equal to number of electrons into electronic charge. That is electron charge. Substitute Q equal to N into E in this formula. I equals to N into E by T. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate N value, that is number of electrons. Now transform the equation till we get N value. That is N into E is nothing but cross multiply here I into T. I into T equal to N into E. Now N equal to, bring E to the left side, IT by E. Now what is N now? N equals to I into T by E. Now substitute the values in this formula. What is I? I is current. What is current? 5 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. Next, what is time? T equal to 60 seconds. So T equal to 60 seconds. What is E? Electronic charge or electron charge. Electron charge value is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So if you simplify this, you will get the answer as 1.875 into 10 power minus 8. As it is a number, there is no unit. Hello children. Now the second part of the lesson electricity and the problems related to potential difference and Ohm's law. Potential difference is symbolized by the letter V. V equal to W by Q, where W is work done, Q is charge. According to Ohm's law, V equals to I into R. Yes, if we want to calculate I, then bring R towards the left side. Then as R is multiplying to the right with I, when it come to the left, it come down, that is in the denominator. I equals to V by I. Like that we transformed the equation for current I equal to V by R. Similarly, R equal to V by I, where what is I? Current, R resistance and V is potential difference. Now come to a problem. How much work is done in moving a charge of 3 coulombs across 2 points having a potential difference 15 volts. How much work is done in moving a charge in between 2 points? For example, it is one copper wire with 2 points A and B. The potential difference that develops between A and B is 15 volts. How much charge it is taking? It is carrying 3 coulombs. Now what we need to do? How much work is done in order to carry the charge of 3 coulombs having a potential difference of 15 volts. Now write down the values given. Charge Q equal to 3 coulombs. Next, potential difference V equal to 15 volts, and work done W we need to calculate. Now what is the formula? We know that W equal to V equal to W by Q, and W equal to cross multiply V and Q, that is V into Q. Substitute the values. What is V? V is 15 volts into what is Q? Q is 3 coulombs. 15 into 3, 45 volt into coulomb, which is nothing but joule. So 45 joules of work is done in moving 3 coulombs of charge. Now next problem, calculate the amount of work done in bringing a point charge of 8 microcoulombs from point A to B if electric potentials are 2 volts and 4 volts respectively at A and B. Here at 2 different points of a conducting wire, potentials are given. Means what? For example, it is a conducting wire with the points A and B, and the potential at point A is 2 volt, potential at point B is 4 volt. What is the potential difference? Potential difference is nothing but difference between the potentials of the 2 terminals. Difference between the potential, that is potential at the B minus potential at the A, which is nothing but 4 minus 2, that is 2 volts is a potential difference that develops between the points A and B. Now come to the question, calculate amount of work done. W need to be calculated in bringing a point charge of 8 microcoulombs. So here what was given? Charge Q equal to 8 microcoulombs. Micro symbol is mu. Micro value is nothing but 8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. Now, what is the potential difference we got? Potential difference between the 2 points we got to be 2 volts. Now, what we need to calculate? We need to calculate W. Now, potential difference V equals to what? W by Q. So, W equals to V into Q. What is V? 2 volts into Q, 8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. 8 2s are 16 joules. 16 into 10 to the power of minus 6 joules of work is done. Now next problem, calculate the potential difference required across a conductor of resistance 8 ohms to pass current of 1.2 amperes through it. First write the data given. What was given? Given resistance R equal to 8 ohms. Resistance R equal to 8 ohms. Next they given current, that is I equal to 1.2 amperes. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate potential difference V. We need to calculate. Relation between V, I and R is V equal to I into R. Yes, V equals to I into R. Now, which equal to, what is I value? 1.2 amperes into R value is 18 volts, which is nothing but 1.2 into 8 is 9.6 volts.